Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Cordless Leaf Blower 21V. We found this impressive leaf blower online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's dive into what makes this leaf blower stand out. The Cordless Leaf Blower 21V is designed to make yard work easier and more efficient. It's a high-power electric blower that comes equipped with two 21V 6.0Ah batteries and a rapid charger, ensuring that you have the endurance you need to tackle any outdoor cleaning task. One of the most significant upgrades with this model is its ability to run continuously for 30 minutes on low-speed mode, which is a game-changer compared to many other leaf blowers on the market that typically only last between 10 to 20 minutes. This extended runtime is paired with a fast-charging capability, allowing you to fully recharge the batteries in just 1 hour, giving you more time to focus on your gardening and less time worrying about battery life. Performance-wise, this leaf blower is equipped with an advanced axial flow turbine fan motor that delivers impressive wind speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, with a wind volume of 600 cubic feet per minute. This powerful performance makes it suitable for a variety of scenarios, whether you're clearing leaves from your backyard, blowing away snow, or tackling debris on your patio. Another fantastic feature is its 6 adjustable speed settings. Whether you need a gentle breeze to clear away dust or a powerful gust to handle heavier debris, this blower has you covered. You can easily switch between different modes, making it perfect for various tasks around the house, whether it's cleaning up your yard, sprucing up the deck, or even tidying up your porch. Weighing in at just 2.77 pounds, the cordless leaf blower is incredibly lightweight and portable. Its ergonomic design and upgraded rubber grip make it easy to handle with one hand, significantly reducing user fatigue during extended use. This is especially beneficial for those who may find traditional leaf blowers cumbersome or heavy. Who is this leaf blower suitable for? It's perfect for homeowners who want to maintain neat and tidy outdoor spaces without the hassle of cords or gas-powered equipment. Gardeners and landscaping enthusiasts will also appreciate its versatility and power. Additionally, if you have a large property or frequently need to clear debris from your driveway or garage, this blower can help simplify those tasks, saving you valuable time and effort. When it comes to practical use cases, the cordless leaf blower excels in a variety of environments. You can use it to clear fallen leaves from your yard in the fall, remove snow from your driveway in the winter, and even blow dust and debris out of your garage or workshop. It's a reliable tool that can adapt to your cleaning needs, boosting your efficiency and making outdoor maintenance much more enjoyable. In summary, the Cordless Leaf Blower 21V is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly tool that can help you tackle a wide range of outdoor cleaning tasks. With its 2 high-capacity batteries, impressive wind speeds, adjustable speed settings, lightweight design, and versatility, it's a fantastic addition to any homeowner's toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to